Did you know that Narmak is one of the few places in Tehran where you'll find everything from street vendors selling fresh fruit to high-end fashion stores, all in one vibrant neighborhood? In today's video, we're diving into the heart of Narmak and exploring its unique blend of shopping, culture, and daily life. Stick around to find out how people in this bustling area are handling life with the current exchange rate of 830,000 rials to the dollar. Are they still shopping? As we walk through Narmak, the first thing you'll notice is the sheer diversity of shops lining the streets. It's not just about buying things, it's about the experience. From local clothing stores where you can find affordable yet trendy pieces, to street vendors selling everything from household items to unique gadgets, Narmak is a perfect place for anyone looking to get a feel for authentic Iranian shopping culture. But it's not just about shopping. There's something about this neighborhood that makes it feel alive. People here, young and old, seem to have a connection with the streets, each other, and their daily routines. As we walk, you'll see locals hanging out at the many coffee shops, chatting with friends, and of course, shopping. When it comes to fashion, Narmak offers a nice balance between affordability and style. Compared to the more upscale northern parts of Tehran, prices here are much more reasonable. You can get a good quality men's shirt for around 500,000 rials, while some of the trendier, high-end stores still offer stylish items for those who want something special. So, no matter your budget, you'll find something that suits your style in Narmak. But even if you're not in the mood for shopping, Narmak's streets are perfect for a leisurely stroll. The long, lively avenue is filled with so many shops that whether you like it or not, you'll end up being tempted to buy something. There's just something about walking down these streets. You can't help but be drawn in by the colorful window displays and lively atmosphere. Despite the current challenges in the economy, with the exchange rate sitting at 830,000 rials to the dollar, it's clear that people in Narmak are still out here, making the most of the vibrant shopping scene. It just goes to show how resilient the Iranian spirit is, no matter what's happening with the economy. People still find joy in the little things, like visiting a local vendor or catching up with a friend while shopping for their daily needs. So, what makes Narmak truly unique? It's not just the variety of stores, the bargains, or the cozy cafes. It's the fact that no matter where you are in this neighborhood, you'll find a piece of Iranian culture that feels incredibly real and authentic. Whether it's the laughter of children in the parks or the friendly banter between vendors and shoppers, Narmak has an energy all its own. Before we wrap up, let me ask you, what do you think about shopping in a place like Narmak, where every corner offers something new? Have you ever visited a neighborhood like this in your own city? Drop a comment below and let me know. I'd love to hear what you think. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the Diaco Travel channel, and activate the bell so you don't miss out on future videos. We've got plenty more amazing spots in Tehran and beyond, so be sure to check out our other videos as well.
بازار کارهای پاییزمون نراج خورده دنیای مدل دنیای یه افتخار بدین کارهای
Even the elderly enjoy the vibrant atmosphere, spending their afternoons in the peaceful parks around Narmak, a perfect example of how this neighborhood embraces both the hustle and bustle of Tehran life and moments of relaxation.
دستگاه پر زدم